What's up, everybody? It's your boy Daniel Smith here, back with another video. And let me tell you, today's video is huge. We're going undercover in the casino, baby. We're not talking about some online slots. We're talking about the real deal. Bright lights, roulette wheels spinning, and more importantly, those secret casino rules they don't want you to know. We're talking about the kind of stuff that could make or break your night in Vegas. The insider secrets that separate the high rollers from the rest of us. Ever wondered why you can't take a selfie at the blackjack table? Or why that guy got kicked out for counting cards? We're diving deep into the world of casinos, uncovering 10 secret rules that most people don't even know exist. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. Alright guys, first rule of Casino Club. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And that's not just a catchy saying, it's practically the law. Seriously though, casinos are super strict about photos and videos. You think they want everyone knowing their secrets? Think again. They've got security cameras everywhere, but you trying to sneak a selfie with the slots? That's a big no-no. Why so serious? Well, casinos are all about protecting their players, especially the high rollers, plus they're always on the lookout for cheaters. So next time you're feeling like a paparazzi, put the phone away and enjoy the moment. Okay, so you've seen Rain Man 1 too many times and think you can count cards like a pro. Here's the thing, it's not illegal, but it will get you kicked out faster than you can say 21. Casinos are businesses and they don't like losing money. They've got eyes everywhere, and trust me, they can spot a card counter a mile away. So unless you want to get blacklisted from every casino in town, stick to basic strategy and hope for the best. Remember, luck is just as important as skill in this game. Alright guys, listen up, because this one's important. You might be on vacation, but that doesn't mean you can roll up to the casino in your pajamas. Okay, maybe not pajamas, but you get the idea. Casinos have dress codes, especially the fancy ones with high-stakes tables. Think James Bond, not your average Joe. We're talking collared shirts, dress pants, maybe even a sports jacket if you're feeling fancy. Ladies, you too. Ditch the flip-flops and opt for something a little more elegant. Trust me, you'll feel more confident and you might even get luckier. So you've placed your bet, the adrenaline is pumping, and you're feeling lucky. But hold on a second before you reach for those chips. Once you've placed your bet, your hands are officially off the table. No touching, no moving, no funny business. Casinos are serious about preventing cheating, and this is one of their biggest rules. Think of it like a sacred pact between you and the dealer. Once the chips are down, they're staying put until the hand is over. So keep your hands where they can see them and let the chips fall where they may. We live in a world glued to our phones, but at the casino table, those devices are persona non grata. Seriously, put the phone down. Casinos are all about focus and concentration, and that means no texting your buddies about your latest win or checking Instagram between hands. It's distracting to other players, and let's be real, it's kind of rude. Plus, casinos worry about people using their phones to cheat. So do yourself a favor and disconnect for a little while. You might even enjoy the digital detox. Listen up, folks, because this is Casino Etiquette 101. Dealers and casino staff work hard and they rely on tips just like servers in a restaurant. So when you're winning big, or even small, it's customary to show your appreciation with a little something extra. Think of it as an investment in your good karma. A few bucks here and there goes a long way, and it might even bring you some extra luck next time you're at the table. Just remember, generosity is always in fashion. Alright guys, let's talk about responsible gambling. Casinos are all about having fun, but they also want you to stay safe and make smart decisions. That means knowing your limits, especially when it comes to alcohol. Casinos can and will refuse service to anyone who's visibly intoxicated. It's for your own good and it's the law. So pace yourself, drink plenty of water, and remember, you can always come back and play another day. Here's a hard truth about casinos. The odds are always in their favor. That's just the nature of the game. But that doesn't mean you can't win. Just remember to gamble responsibly and never bet more than you can afford to lose. Think of it like entertainment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Set a budget, stick to it, and most importantly, have fun. Casinos are like their own little worlds with restaurants, bars, and everything else you could possibly need. And they want you to spend your money inside those walls, not sneaking in snacks from the gas station across the street. So yeah, outside food and drinks are usually a no-go, but hey, at least it's an excuse to try that fancy steakhouse you've been eyeing. Alright guys, here's a secret that casinos don't always advertise. Loyalty programs are your best friend. Most casinos offer these programs, and they can hook you up with some sweet perks like free play, discounted rooms, and even cash back on your losses. It's their way of rewarding you for being a loyal customer. So next time you're at the casino, sign up for their loyalty program. You'll thank me later. And there you have it, folks. 10 secret casino rules that you probably didn't know existed. Now you're armed with the knowledge to navigate the casino floor like a pro. Remember, casinos are all about having fun, but it's always important to be respectful, gamble responsibly, and maybe tip your dealer a little extra for good luck. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. We've got tons of exciting videos coming your way, so stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.